Most people expect a professional laptop to feel like a heavy slab of metal in their backpack, but we are looking at something that defies the laws of physics. It weighs just over 1 kilogram. That is barely more than 2 pints of water. You pick it up and your brain immediately tells you it must be a toy. It feels like a tablet or a piece of plastic junk until you realize the frame is actually a refined mix of magnesium alloy and titanium. This is not some budget experiment. This is a serious return to form for a brand that has been quiet in the high-end space for far too long. They use carbon fiber to keep the weight down without losing that rigid premium feel. It is the kind of engineering that makes you realize how much weight we have been tolerating just to get decent performance. Then you open the lid and the display hits you. We are talking about a screen so sharp and bright that it rivals the most expensive creative workstations on the market. It is an organic light-emitting diode panel with a resolution that makes every pixel disappear into a smooth, lifelike image. The refresh rate is buttery smooth and responsive. When you take this outside, the brightness is intense. That means you can actually work in direct sunlight without squinting or seeing your own reflection staring back at you. Most laptops struggle to hit half that brightness level. It is a touchscreen too, which adds that layer of tactile control that some of the biggest competitors still refuse to offer. Under the hood, they did not hold back. They packed in the newest high-performance processors that focus on efficiency and heavy multitasking. Even though the chassis is incredibly thin, they managed to squeeze in dual fans for cooling. You can actually edit video or run heavy creative sessions without the whole thing turning into a space heater. They are offering up to 32 gigabytes of memory, which is plenty for most power users. The battery life is claimed to reach 19 hours. Even if you get 2/3 of that in the real world, you are looking at a full workday without ever hunting for a wall outlet. When you do need power, the 100-watt fast charging gets you back in the game before you can finish a cup of coffee. One of the weirdest and coolest details is the extra storage slot. It is almost unheard of to see an expandable solid-state drive slot in a laptop this thin. Usually, manufacturers seal everything up to save space. However, they did solder the memory to the board, so whatever you buy is what you are stuck with forever. There is a catch for those of us living outside of Asia. Right now, this machine is restricted to a single market. Importing one means dealing with keyboard layouts and software quirks that might not be worth the headache for everyone. But the chatter online is already explosive. People are calling it the ultimate alternative to the dominant food-branded laptops we see in every coffee shop. If this thing actually goes global, it could shake up the entire industry. It challenges the idea that you have to choose between portability and power. You can have the titanium build, the insane screen, and the all-day battery in a package that weighs next to nothing. It makes you wonder why the bigger brands are still making us carry around heavy bricks when the technology clearly exists to do better.